I just fucking, like, look, my fucking signal's still on. I just stopped the car, pulled over, because there was a fucking dog on the side of the road. And we went up to the dog, and the dog started barking at Katie, coming closer to Katie.
I was gonna.
And then the lady came out of the bushes. Don't know where she came from. She fucking came from somebody's yard or something.
Oh my god.
And she's like, oh, she's just letting you know that she's like a dog or whatever she said.
She's like
and she pissed her pants. The lady's pants in between her vaginal area was soaking wet. I cannot believe this happened.
Why would she pee herself?
I don't know.
All these cars are going straight. Were we supposed to like turn?
I don't even know.
Was she what?
Was she peeing in like the bushes?
I don't know.
And
yeah,
then,
and then she put her pants on late. Like,
oh
the dog scared the shit out of me.
That was so gross. Well, that's what happened in